If I lost everything tomorrow and had to rebuild from scratch with just $1,000, here's exactly what I'd buy. Not theory, not hype. Real machines, real money, real businesses that real people are already running and profiting from right now. I've researched all of these, dug into the margins, and watched operators build serious income from each one. One machine on this list surprised me more than any other. Low profile, almost zero competition, margins that make no sense until you actually see them laid out. Let's get into all 10. Automatic cigarette rolling machine. Before you skip, stay with me. This isn't about cigarettes. It's about understanding where money flows when people are under financial pressure and positioning yourself to capture some of it. Roll your own tobacco is completely legal and dramatically cheaper than buying packaged cigarettes. Millions of smokers know this. The problem is rolling by hand is slow, inconsistent, and frustrating enough that most people give up and go back to buying packs. An automatic rolling machine kills every single friction point. Feed in loose tobacco, load the empty tubes, and the machine produces perfect cigarettes at volume, thousands per hour, with almost no effort required from you. The business model is clean. Tobacco shops offer rolling services for customers buying loose tobacco. Some operators sell directly within their local networks. You save the customer serious money. You pocket a healthy margin. The math works for everyone in the transaction, and almost no one is doing this because most entrepreneurs are off chasing whatever is currently trending. That overlooked demand is your opening. Cotton candy vending machine. Events need entertainment. Kids need sugar. Parents need something that buys them 5 minutes of peace. Cotton candy checks every box, and a vending machine means you don't have to stand there to sell it. The machine handles everything autonomously. Customer inserts payment, machine spins fresh cotton candy. Machine delivers it. No staff required. You stock supplies, collect the revenue, and handle maintenance. That is the entire job. Placement determines success more than anything else. Amusement parks, bowling alleys, arcades, movie theaters, shopping malls, all of them attract exactly the right customer demographic. One machine in a high traffic location serves hundreds of customers on a busy day. Sugar and cones cost pennies per serving. Selling price runs $3 to $6 depending on location. That margin compounds into serious monthly revenue from a single machine. Seasonal events multiply the opportunity. Fairs, carnivals, festivals. The machine travels easy, sets up fast, operates anywhere with a power outlet. Stack multiple machines across different locations, and you have a real business running while you focus on other things. Egg coding machine. Every egg sold commercially needs identification. Farm codes, batch numbers, expiry dates, regulatory information. Small farms and backyard operations scaling into commercial sales need compliant labeling, but cannot justify the cost of industrial coding equipment. That gap is your entire business. An egg coding machine prints directly onto eggshells. Clean, fast, compliant. You become the dedicated coding service for producers in your region, small farms at farmers markets, organic producers, free-range and pasture-raised operations. They all need this done consistently, and most of them have nowhere local to turn. The model repeats itself. They bring the eggs, you code them, they pay per egg or per flat. The relationship runs weekly or daily depending on their production volume. Food safety requirements keep getting stricter, and traceability demands keep increasing, which means producers who never needed coding before will need it now. Low equipment cost, multiple farm relationships, healthy margins that hold. Bracelet engraving machine. Personalization is one of the most reliable premium plays in consumer markets. A name, a date, a message. It transforms a generic piece of jewelry into something that actually means something to the buyer. People pay real premium prices for that transformation. A compact, computer-controlled engraving machine handles rings, bracelets, pendants, keychains, pet tags, small signs, and promotional items. The output is precise and professional on every single piece. Customer streams are everywhere you look. Couples getting wedding bands engraved with dates and initials. Gift buyers wanting something personal for someone they care about. Jewelry stores that sell pieces but have zero in-house engraving capability, that last one is B2B gold. One strong partnership with a busy jewelry store generates consistent weekly work without you marketing yourself at all. Set up at wedding expos, craft fairs, and festivals. Demo the machine live. Let people watch their piece being engraved on the spot. That live demo closes more sales than any pitch ever will. The machine handles multiple product categories without any additional equipment investment. Small plastic injection machine. Every plastic product you've ever touched came from an injection molding machine. Industrial versions cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Compact tabletop versions bring that exact same manufacturing capability into a garage or small workshop for a fraction of the price. Heat plastic pellets. Force them into a mold under pressure. Pull out a solid plastic part. Same fundamental process used by major manufacturers globally, just at small operator scale. The opportunity that gets most overlooked: replacement parts. When a plastic component breaks on an appliance or piece of equipment, you usually cannot buy just that part. Manufacturers don't sell them individually. People throw the entire product away. You produce the exact replacement part. That customer has no other option, which means you control the price conversation completely. Custom short-run manufacturing serves product developers, inventors, and small businesses needing quantities too small for overseas factories, but too large for 3D printing to handle at speed. You sit in the middle of that gap. The learning curve requires genuine patience, but once you're through it, the production capability is genuinely endless. Tea bag packing machine. Loose tea has a retail presentation problem. To reach store shelves and command premium prices, it needs professional packaging. A tea bag packing machine solves that completely. The machine fills precise measured amounts of tea or herbs into filter paper, seals the bags, and attaches strings and tags automatically. The finished output looks identical to major brand products sitting on grocery shelves because the process behind it is literally identical. You run your own tea brand or operate as a packaging service for others, or both: herbal practitioners, local tea blenders, specialty herb growers. They all have quality product but no pathway to retail standard packaging. You become the infrastructure they're missing. Wellness trends keep accelerating with no sign of slowing. Herbal teas, functional blends, adaptogenic drinks. Demand for local and natural alternatives to industrial products keeps climbing. Create signature blends, run seasonal offerings, build subscription boxes for recurring revenue. The machine also handles spice blends and potpourri sachets, so your product range has real room to grow. Sesame seed grinding machine. Tahini is expensive at every grocery store you've ever walked through. The creamy sesame paste found in hummus, dressings, sauces, and across Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cooking commands serious prices on shelves. Producing it requires exactly one piece of specialized equipment. A quality grinding machine transforms raw sesame seeds into smooth, professional-grade tahini. Fresh tahini tastes dramatically better than the shelf-stable commercial alternatives. That freshness is a real, tangible advantage that large industrial producers simply cannot offer at any price. Farmers markets, restaurants, Mediterranean cafes, specialty food stores, all viable channels with genuine appetite for local producers. Health-conscious consumers pay a premium for fresh, local, small batch production when they can find it. Beyond tahini, the same machine produces almond butter, cashew butter, and specialty nut blends. One machine, multiple distinct products, multiple market channels. Tartlet forming machine. Bakeries need volume and consistency. Forming tart shells by hand is slow, produces variable results, and hard limits how much product you can move. A tartlet forming machine automates the whole process. Identical shell every single time, produced at speed. One operator runs output that would otherwise require multiple skilled bakers working together. The opportunity reaches well beyond your own production. Other bakeries want shells but lack the forming equipment to make them efficiently. Restaurants want polished dessert components without running full pastry operations. Catering companies need hundreds of identical pieces for large weddings and corporate events. Wholesale shell production turns your machine into a dedicated supply business. Bakeries and cafes buy your shells as a production ingredient. They fill them with their own creams and signature fruits. You're selling a component the trade genuinely needs. Peak seasons are where this machine earns its keep. Dessert demand spikes hard through the holidays. Your machine handles volume that competitors simply can't match with hand labor. That's a structural advantage that builds on itself every year. DTF Powder Shaker Machine. Direct-to-film printing fundamentally changed the custom apparel market. Before DTF, small operators couldn't compete with established screen printing shops on speed, quality, or minimum order economics. Now they can. But the process has a production bottleneck: adhesive powder application and curing. Without proper equipment, it chokes your output. A powder shaker machine removes that bottleneck entirely. The machine applies adhesive powder to freshly printed transfers evenly and consistently, then cures the powder for heat application. Paired with a DTF printer, you have a complete custom apparel system producing quality that rivals industrial operations, built for a fraction of industrial cost. The addressable market is enormous. Small businesses need branded merchandise, sports teams need uniforms, event organizers need custom shirts with rapid turnaround. Individuals want personalized clothing. Every one of them needs a supplier who can move fast without demanding a minimum order of 200 units. DTF handles single-piece orders just as economically as bulk production. That is the fundamental competitive edge. Screen printing shops turn away small orders. They have to. You take every one of them. Home-based DTF operations are winning business from established print shops on turnaround time and flexibility alone. Boba Pearl Making Machine. Bubble tea shops have spread to every city and most towns. The chewy tapioca pearls that define the drink require constant fresh supply, and most shops simply buy pre-made pearls from distributors, taking whatever quality and freshness level they're shipped. A pearl making machine changes that relationship entirely. The machine forms tapioca dough into consistent spheres ready for immediate cooking. Fresh pearls have texture and chew that no pre-made industrial alternative can replicate. Quality-focused shops will pay a premium for pearls that actually make their drinks worth coming back for. You can supply shops directly as a fresh ingredient business, or build your own bubble tea operation with in-house pearl production as the core competitive advantage. Customers who taste the difference return consistently because they cannot get that quality from anyone else nearby. The same equipment handles flavored pearls, colored pearls, and seasonal specialty variations. It also carries over into mochi, certain dumpling forms, and other shaped products. One machine opens multiple product lines without additional investment. 10 machines, all accessible for around $1,000, all with proven demand, real margins, and business models built around something the market actually needs. The question was never whether these work. The question is which one fits where you are right now and what you're willing to start.